I've been told by some local yokel I got to get religion. Apparently this is the account of the creation of the world. So I'm told, in the beginning God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was formless and empty, darkness covered with deep waters, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the surface of the waters. There he is, I'm a hovering. So said God. Then God said, let there be light. So a little blue angel. And there was light. And it was blue. And God saw that the light was good. Then he separated the light from the darkness. So I guess the sun went up. And God called the light day and the darkness night. It's the dark side, where the sun don't shine. And the evening passed, and the morning came, marking the first day. Then God said, there is a space between the waters to separate the waters of the heavens from the waters of the earth. And that is what happened. God made this space to separate the waters from the earth, from the waters of the heaven, and God called this space sky. Must be the upside there. And evening passed and morning came, marking the second day. Then God said, let the waters beneath the sky flow together into one place, so dry ground may appear. And that is what happened. God called the dry ground land, and the waters the seas. I guess he saw that was the seas, and he saw that it was good. Then God said, let the land sprout with vegetation, every sort of seed-bearing plant, and trees grew that seed-bearing fruit. These seeds will then produce the kinds of plants and trees from which they came. And that is what happened. The land produced vegetation, all sorts of seed-bearing plants, and trees with seed-bearing fruit. Their seeds produce plants, trees have the same name. Why the fuck do they repeat everything twice? Sorry. Where's the quarter jar? Potty mouth. Then God said, let the lights appear in the sky, separate the day from night, let them be signs to mark the seasons, days, years, let these lights in the sky shine down upon the earth. And that is what happened. God made two great lights, the larger one governing the day and the smaller one governing the night. He also made the stars. God said, blah, 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 repeat after me, he said it twice. Then God said, let the waters swarm with fish and other life. Let the skies be filled with birds of every kind. So the God created great sea creatures and every living thing that scurries and swarms in the water. And every sort of bird, each producing offspring of the same kind, and God said that it was good. And then God blessed them, saying, be fruitful and multiply. That meant go fuck. Then others, yes. Let the fish fill the seas, and the birds multiply in the earth, humping every goddamn other bird they can come across. Yes, sirree, in the name of God. They were out humping. Evening passed and morning came, it was the fifth day. Then God said, let the earth produce every sort of animal, each producing offspring of the same sort, livestock, small animals that scurry along the ground, and wild animals. And that is what happened. God made all sorts of wild animals, livestock, and small animals, each able to produce offspring of the same kind, and God saw that it was good. They were out there humping. Then God said, let us make human beings in our image, and to be like us. They will reign forever over the fish in the sea, the birds in the sky, the livestock, and all the wild animals of the earth, and small animals that scurry along the ground. And so God created human beings in his own image. They repeated themselves again. Then God said, go fuck. Fill the earth, govern it, reign over the fish in the sea, birds in the sky, animals that scurry. And then God said, I've given you every seed-bearing plant throughout the world. Blah, 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 fruit trees, wild animals, birds in the sky. Looked over what he made, saw that it was good. Evening passed and morning came, marking the sixth day. And now I think he was supposed to goof off. Our next edition will be the Garden of Eden.